How would you like to save an average of 20% on your monthly utility bills? In fact, many businesses and even larger homes are saving much more than that by using our proven multi-patented energy-saving device. Larger facilities are seeing an even greater drop in their maintenance savings as well. The Blackhawk Powerhouse Energy Saver is a revolutionary new energy-saving system that can be custom designed to fit the power needs of businesses, homeowners, and industry. The Blackhawk Powerhouse will lower power bills, increase equipment life, reduce peak demand, lower maintenance expense, capture and use lost voltage, balance voltage across all phases, and provide surge protection. The Powerhouse Energy-Saving Power Conditioning System by Blackhawk Energy Products is at the forefront of energy conservation products. Created over several years of research and development, the Powerhouse has a proven record of energy savings and increased equipment efficiency. Much of the power delivered to consumers via the country's electric grid is affected by many external factors. These upstream influences generally result in lower quality power. Evidence of this is seen in the flickering of lights, computers rebooting without warning, and often the sudden failure of vital equipment. The Powerhouse balances, stabilizes, and boosts voltage across all phases. Simultaneously, it reduces and balances panel amp loads and improves power quality, even when demand is increased. In addition, there is virtually no voltage drop, even under the strain of equipment startup. The Powerhouse generates real bottom-line savings by saving you money on your electric bill, decreasing your maintenance costs, and increasing the lifespan of your equipment. The Powerhouse is a proven energy and money saver. Here are a few actual testimonials. I did have some reservations because this is a surgery center. Without a doubt, I can say that your product does exactly what the company states. We have decreased our electric expense by $1,300 a month, a 16% savings. We have also decreased our maintenance repair expenses by over $8,000. I recommend this to any business. Summit Surgery Center in Nashville, Tennessee. Lamar McIntyre, Administrator. Your product, the Blackhawk Energy Saver, does all that you said it would do and probably even a little more. Tennessee Wildlife Resources Agency, Randy Cromer, Area Manager. We are very pleased with the energy savings and increased equipment efficiency. With the energy savings and the mild winter weather, the units have nearly paid for themselves. New Hope Free Will Baptist Church, Tom Malone, Pastor. Here you can see a 33% to as high as 54% reduction in kilowatt usage at New Hope Church, and a 49% to 76% reduction in the demand charge or power factor. Over 50% savings in this luxury home. This is indeed an outstanding product. My utility bill at my house has always been substantially high, well over $800 in February of 2011. I'm happy to say that the utility bills have declined substantially to around $320 to $350 each month and seems to be going down. Dan Cook, attorney and counselor at law. That's a $5,000 savings per year. Along with the savings, I have had no problems with voltage drops or spikes since installing the unit. The motors on the compressors for refrigeration and the air conditioner are running flawlessly. A product like this is what a small businessman needs to stay competitive in this tight business environment. KFC, Taco Bell, Johnny Matlock, owner. It made our elevators run faster. Our pump motors run a lot cooler, dropping 22 degrees on average. Our lights a lot brighter. And we hardly ever need to change ballasts anymore. We used to change them weekly. Our average monthly utility bill was between $14,000 and $15,000 and has dropped to close to $10,000 a month, a $4,000 to $5,000 per month savings. Robertson County Government in Tennessee. Joe Fort, Director of Maintenance.
Introducing the Powerhouse from Blackhawk Energy Products. Developed over years of R&D, the Powerhouse stands alone in the world of green energy products, delivering savings on utility costs, increased equipment life, and reduced maintenance expense. The Powerhouse conditions and protects your electrical system, including your heaviest loads. Meet Jerry Johnson, the inventor of the Powerhouse from Blackhawk Energy Saver. His 40 years of electrical experience led him to the patented process that we have today.
When loads come on, the voltage fluctuates. It fluctuates. And what you have to do is take this fluctuation out and maintain the same voltage between your phases. And if you can correct this here and maintain it for every time something comes on or something goes off, keep the same voltage and keep it strong there, then of course your electric bill is going to go down like we've shown across this country. I've worked on this for over 6 years, trial and error. I spent a lot of time doing this, and I tell you, I've enjoyed doing it. And with me, it's all about giving back and trying to help someone. And I think that is important to be a good steward for our Lord and give back. I really do.
Joe Ford is the Director of Maintenance for Robertson County, Tennessee government.
The Powerhouse handles all of our HVAC units, 10 to 20 ton units in the office complex. It handles our elevators that it's in the office complex. It also handles all of our hot water pumps that produce from the boilers. And then it handles several other sub-panels in the building. These two were the most of the load. That's the most of the load in this office complex. And it has done a world of good for us. It made our elevators run faster. It made our pump motors run a lot cooler. They dropped on average 22 degrees. It made our lights a lot brighter in the building. The big thing is the ballast. We have not changed the ballast in this building since October of 2011. That was a weekly occurrence until we installed the Blackhawk. Well, my demand has dropped on the utility bill, which in turn drops the monthly cost. Our cost was anywhere from $14,000 to $15,000 a month, and in his last 3 bills we have, it's been $10,100, $10,200 is steady. So that's a big savings, and that's just a bonus for us. Well, since we added the 2 panels and the results that we have off of the first 2 were so good, we have added 4 more panels in our new jail and our old jail. With 15 buildings that I oversee, I'd like to have 1 in every building I have.
You go in and you look at the areas of what you can help the most, you can treat the most. You go into a building, you want to look for your biggest loads. You target the area that's going to do the most good. Powerhouse will help just about any application, whether it's a motor load, whether it's air conditioning, whether it's lighting boards, control boards, computer systems. It will help on the maintenance side, the longevity of your equipment. Low voltage, fluctuation voltage, and lightning is a huge nightmare for these people. And so far, we have corrected a lot of that.
Many clients are realizing the benefits of the Blackhawk Energy Saver. Comparing energy bills before and after the installation of the Powerhouse from Blackhawk, we see that this customer saved 27.2% on their energy costs. It's not just commercial businesses, it's industrial and residential customers too. Positive results and satisfied customers. That's the bottom line with the Blackhawk Powerhouse.
The Blackhawk Powerhouse Energy Saver is proven to save you money month after month. The 2 big questions: do you want to continue making the utility company richer? Or do you want to keep that money for yourself?